Thinking about how this quartet was formed, it's interesting. It's not as though one day we all decided, okay, let's form a quartet and let's play together. But so I have been doing over the last few years different instrumental duets like violin chitraveena, violin flute, even violin sitar. So it was actually one wonderful organizer in Coimbatore who asked if I would then do one more different combination like that. And that's when I happened to contact Vidwan Mailai Karthikeyan. And we tried out what was at that time violin nadaswaram duet. And it so happened that both the artistry and the artist was such that we both mutually felt that the combination was working out really well, despite the fact that violin and nadaswaram, of course, have disparate levels of, the nature of the instrument, the volume of each instrument, the way it sounds, the way it is played. They're all very different. And so it was certainly interesting for us to make it come together, both sonically as well as musically. But that aside, we felt that the artistry involved here in both artists was gelling really well. And so over time, we played a few concerts, the two of us together. And then we invited on stage with us Vidwan Praveen Sparsh on the Mridangam and Adayar G. Silambarasan, as well as another Tawil artist, Gumudi Pundiyar Jeevanandam, who alternate with us on the Tawil. And so the duet became a quartet, forming a Carnatic quartet. We have played together ever since, the four of us, actually the five of us in that context. And it's been a wonderful avenue for us to explore the various facets of instrumental music, the way in which the mridangam, the tawil, the nadaswaram and the violin come together so well so that we can all appreciate each of these instruments individually, their beauty, their difference, their uniqueness, as well as the magic that happens when they come together. And this is not just in terms of the sound, but also in terms of the music. We have had wonderful journeys exploring compositions like the Mallari, the Kavadi, Nundi Chindu, and various other things that Mailai Karthikeyan has so generously shared with all of us. It's been an absolutely wonderful journey, and I hope you enjoy this music as much as we are enjoying playing this for you. It has been a wonderful experience performing for Mudra Music Studios. We are so happy to have been part of Mudra's Margari season, done in a safe way this December. The acoustics have been wonderful, the ambience has been wonderful. Sometimes you would think that in a studio performance, these things might be missing or less than stage, but it's been a wonderful experience for all of us performing here today for Mudra and for all of you.
முத்ரா மியூசிக் ஸ்டுடியோ இதில் நாங்கள் இப்போ வாசிச்சிருக்கோம். ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமாக இருக்குது. கண்டிப்பாக நீங்களும் இதை கேட்டு என்ஜாய் பண்ணணும்.
நாங்கள் முத்ரா மியூசிக் ஸ்டுடியோவில் வாட்ச அனுபவம் மிகவும் அருமையாக இருந்தது. இந்த நிகழ்ச்சி டிசம்பர் 25 மாலை 5:30 மணிக்கு ஒளிபரப்பாக உள்ளது. அனைவரும் கண்டுகளியுங்கள்.
Very happy to be a part of Mudra's 26th annual Margari Festival. We recorded ourselves in Mudra Music Studios and it is not easy to balance this kind of an outfit here because we have the tawal, mridangam, nadaswaram and the violin, which are very different in terms of the sonic range. But we had a wonderful time performing at the studios, and we had great tech support, and they've offered support for Android, iPhones and computers. So do catch us, support the platform, support the artists.
If you think our job is worth and you are able to enjoy well, you can contribute by way of donations. That is, we are calling it as joy of giving by way of bank transfer or Google Pay. For those who reside in India, for NRI's contribution, contact WhatsApp number 98400 72821. Here are the bank details. Donations are exempted under 80G Income Tax Act.